Hi and welcome to our kitchen. Today is time to change BIOCERA Jug filter. Hi, my name is Minja Zeus and I'm a complementary healthcare professional and a founder of a keyoptima.com platform. To make sure your health would be in the best condition, your water quality is very important. And I have not found anything better than BIOCERA water or BIOCERA water filters. So, BIOCERA jug has to be washed and change the filter every 2 months. With the bottled water, it lasts a little bit longer, but to make sure you have always the best quality of water, the recommendation is to change your filter every 2 months. And let's go and view how you're gonna wash and change the filter to BIOCERA jug.
Sun, how are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good, good. Good morning, sun. Good, good morning, light. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good, good morning, sun. Good, good morning, sun. Good morning, light. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and in love. Good, good. Good morning, light. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and in love. Good, good. Good, good morning, sun.
Okay, now we have changed the filter to BIOCERA jug and cleaned it safe way so that you have the best possible results. Few things I didn't mention while you were watching how to do the process is that this old filter is to go to energy trash because this outside part is plastic and inside of course there's these bioceramic balls, so it's very safe to throw in energy trash. And later, remember, while you are changing the filter, you can mark it over here when you did change the filter so that you remember in 2 months to change the filter again. You can use it longer time if you want, but I recommend you to check it with pH drops that the water quality is still fine. Usually you notice within the taste that it tastes actually worse than it would taste on pipe water, but I don't recommend you to wait that long. You can buy bigger quantities on BIOCERA filters through keyoptima.com, so you will save. And remember, in Keyoptima you will get more than just products. you will get service by complementary healthcare professionals. So it is totally different when you actually know what you're doing. Good. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe the channel, share it with your friends, and put the notification bell on so that you can see all our videos when we do upload them. And comment below, and make sure you get your personalized program to get the best results from keyoptima.com by first free conversation or exterior analyze, and you can get very well started. Thank you so much and have a great day. Key Optima, your source of life force.